Have you ever thought about what happens in the cell that causes cancer? Today you will understand.
They are too small. They are too small. You can't see them. You can't see them. But you can see them. You can feel them. They can kill you from inside. They can kill you from inside.
Imagine your body as a bustling cityscape with cells living their daily lives. Everything's in order, a perfectly orchestrated symphony of growth and repair. But like any great story, trouble begins in the most unsuspecting places. Picture this. Deep within the nucleus of a cell, where our genetic code is stored, a mutation occurs. This genetic glitch can be triggered by various factors, from environmental influences to inherited predispositions. As a result, the cell's DNA undergoes a transformation, altering the instruction it follows. The mutated cell, now armed with faulty instructions, loses its ability to regulate its growth. While normal cells carefully control their division, these rebellious cells start multiplying uncontrollably. This unchecked proliferation is one of the hallmarks of cancer, leading to the formation of a tumor. Now the battle begins. Here's where the superhero cells, our immune system, step in to save the day. But alas, cancer cells are cunning. They find ways to evade the immune response, sneaking through the defenses and establishing their rogue empire. But the story doesn't end there. Cancer cells can invade nearby tissues, disrupting the normal cellular landscape. They may even embark on a journey through the bloodstream or lymphatic system, spreading to distant parts of the body, a process known as metastasis. But what are the reasons for this happening? External factors such as exposure to carcinogens, radiation, or certain viruses can act as catalysts, inducing DNA mutations. And as you know better than me, smoking, poor diet, and lack of physical activity can also contribute to the risk. Inherited genetic mutations play a role too. Some individuals are born with genetic variations that predispose them to certain types of cancer. It's like having a pre-written script for a cellular drama that might unfold later in life. Now that you know what happens in the cell that causes cancer, subscribe!